4%.
Dimantha, same two questions to you. What do you anticipate will happen with interest rates towards the end of the year and also the exchange rate?
Yeah. So interest rates, if we look at it, what we are looking at is in terms. I'll start with the policy rates. So we have a view for the next 12 months. Now we've already seen a 200 basis point rate cut, and we are looking at another 200 basis points, possibly. So things are happening slightly faster than our level of liking. So we were looking at
Level of liking or level of forecast?
level of liking and forecast. Basically, that it could lead to a heating up of the economy as well. So that's why we are saying it's level of liking. So now we were looking at possibly another 200 basis points either towards the next 4 to 5 months or even in the first quarter of next year. So that's where we are looking at interest rate policy rates to settle down somewhere around 9 to 10%, SDF at 9% and SLF at 10%. So and then with that, we think interest rates are currently around the level that we anticipated post-DDO, around the 13 to 15% mark, slightly moved up with the recent bond auction. However, beyond that, we are looking at interest rates actually moving down to around 11 to 13.5%. So to be very specific on the yield curve, 1 year around the 11 to 12% mark, 5 year and 10 year around the 12.5 to 13.5 spread range. So
on the rupee then?
Yes. So with that, on the rupee, we've actually upgraded our forecast with the central bank actually allowing the trend of the rupee to take place rather than absorbing the rupee contrary to our view. So with that, the rupee appreciated, and now towards the end of the year, the second half of the year, with the import relaxations and possible outflows of with interest rates coming off, we're looking at the somewhat of a depreciating trend, and we're looking at the interest exchange rate to be around the 320 to 360 mark. We have a broader range for the second half of the year and the same range for the first half next year, to be onto the lower side towards the end of this year and onto the higher side towards the mid of next year.